स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, once again welcome you all in today's video. So here I come up with one more video with respect to the Christ University 2021, and that is for CUT, the Christ University entrance test. So now in this video we'll talk about the micro presentation topics, which are the hot topics the interviewers might be asked during the micro presentation part or during the selection process part. So guys, stay tuned with me throughout this video. So very first one guys, this is our new YouTube channel named Mano BB Entrance. So link for this new YouTube channel I already mentioned in the description. Kindly check the description and don't forget to subscribe the channel because you will get lot of updates with respect to the BB Entrance exam. So if you are preparing for any of these entrance exams such as the IP MAT and PAT SET, CUET, DUJAT, IPOCET, St. Xavier's or CUCET and others, you will get the best coaching from Mano Education. Call our board line number 8828581455. Now if you have any doubts and queries, ask me in the below comment section, so we'll try to answer all of your queries. So let's move to our main important point. So guys, I already made the video on the micro presentation part. You can watch my previous video where I shared the tips and strategies how you should prepare for the micro presentation part, how you should talk, and what are the content of the micro presentation part. So in short, you have to prepare during your first 30 seconds and later on you have to speak for 90 seconds in your micro presentation part. So micro presentation is nothing but the extempore speech or the short speech. So it should be clear, short but impactful. What exactly the micro presentation shows? It shows how you communicate and what is your thinking capacity. These are the tips I already shared with you in my previous video. You have to prepare for your topic, so you will get 30 seconds and that is your time. So consider it as my time. Don't start in hurry. Use this particular time, collect 5 to 6 points on that particular topic, create your base, add some of the adjectives in it, and also share your opinion, how you think about that particular point. You can share your experience also. Later on you have to define the topic. So how you will start with the tagline. Okay, you can start with some of the quotes or advice. You can use some of the facts and you can tell about some of the figures in that. Later on you have to give the argument. So motto of your topic, add particular reason in it, give the arguments, and it is very important how you end your topic. So guys, these all are the tips. Kindly watch my previous video to get the detailed info about the micro presentation part. Now in this video we'll talk about the topics. So I listed 50 top topics with respect to the micro presentation part, and which might be helpful for your CUET selection process criteria. So let's move to the list. So guys, here I listed some of the topics. So very important one, you have to adhere to the current scenario. Okay, most of the questions are asked with respect to the current affairs. So very first one, COVID-19 effect on Indian economy. You already know how it affects our economy. Lockdown was necessary or not? You can share your thoughts on it. Effect of lockdown on Indian laborers. Lockdown stage 1, 2, 3 and 4. Role of essential services in lockdown, as everything was devastated, right guys, and there only the essential services help us. Okay, so what exactly the role of essential services and the employees who were in that particular department. They might be asked about the COVID-19 vaccines. As the vaccines are developed now, COVID-19 and the new normal. New education policies. Okay, so they might be ask you, what if your graduation degree changed to 4 years degree, right? Or is there graduation is sufficient or you need to be post-graduated? Okay, merits and demerits of online teaching I already discussed in my previous video. Impact of farmers bills, budget 2021, internet addictions, is India safe for women, global warming, health versus wealth, is good health important, hard work versus smart work. Now this topic, it also came in the first session of MBA, and it is the same topic was in 2018 and 19. Is hard work necessary for success? Self-reliant India, digital India, make in India. Why BBA program? Okay, they might be asked why this particular program. If you are looking for BA program, then why BA? Why BBA? Why mass journalism? Why social sciences? There are a lot of questions. Gender equality. We observe traffic rules by breaking them. Youth and politics. Freebie politics in India. Knowledge is an asset. Is corruption necessary evil? Now sustainable development. Now if the development is necessary, then how it should be? It should be sustainable development. Same they can ask about the rural development, also the urbanization and its effect. Our advertisements are necessary. So these all are the topics. So you can pause the video and can take the screenshot of it. Plant a tree, save the earth, affordable and clean energy, the plastic menace, climate change, global warming, my solutions to reduce the air pollutions, travel industry during pandemic, my career choices were influenced by your idol, your role model, reason for increasing crime rate in India, browsing at workplace affects the productivity, and the last one, the graduation sufficient or need the post graduation. So guys, these all are the topics. You can work on this particular topic also. I have choose this topic on the basis of research and also with respect to the current affairs part. So very first one, be adhere to the current scenario, so you can easily remember some of the points, either 2 or 3 points during your micro presentation part. So this is all from the today's video. I hope you are stick with your preparations. Now if you are targeting for the second round and third round, you can join our online programs. So visit admanoedu.com/bb-interest. If you want to interact live with us, call or WhatsApp on 882-858-1455 and also on these respective numbers. If you want a classroom preparations, join us at Borivali, Datar and Vasai, or you can also enroll for the online programs such as the books or ebooks, mock tests, sectional course, full course and the live lectures. So this is all guys. To get the regular updates with respect to the BBA entrance, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So this is all guys. Thank you very much. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.